Hello. That wasn't very nice when you threw me.
What are you?
I am a Rubik's Cube.
Okay. What's a Rubik's Cube?
I'll let Cubix explain that.
Okay.
Thanks, Ruby. But I don't really specialize in Rubik's Cubes.
So what do you specialize in?
Triangular solving thing. But I'll send you over to my friend Joseph.
Okay. Thanks, Cubix. I will be telling you about how to use your Rubik's Cube.
First, you can have a party with it. Let's go, Cube. Number 1 in the hood. Second of all, you can play catch with your best friends. Okay, Caspia, go along. Caspia? Caspia! Anyways, third of all, you can learn how to learn your colors. Yeah, you can learn how to learn your colors. Okay, so for orange, blue, gray. Perfect. Fourth of all, you can quiz each other. Okay. What first attracts the robot Santa pilot fish to the doctor? Reindeer? Let's check it. So close. It's regeneration energy. Nice try. Well, that's all I can think about of what you can do with a Rubik's Cube. See you later.